The courtroom comes to order. Everyone rises as the judge enters, calm but alert. The case number is called. McKinney. A familiar tension fills the room. The judge allows everyone to sit, setting the tone early. This will not be a casual hearing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. McKinney,
Yes, Your Honor.
we're back.
Yes.
I hope we are in better spirits.
I am.
Okay, good. And we're not going to allow each other to press each other's buttons, right?
Correct.
We'll
Okay,
see what she
ready.
does.
Okay, so we took the DNA testing, had all that done. Did you all have any problems with that?
No, none at all.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, have you had?
The judge checks in with Ms. McKinney, reminding both sides to keep emotions in check. There is history here. Old wounds. The judge makes it clear, no button pushing today. Both parties agree, but the air already feels fragile.
Have the two of you had an opportunity to speak at all?
We've
No
spoken.
way. No.
Lies.
All right. Okay. We spoke for 30 seconds. That doesn't count. I didn't want to talk to you. You came up to me. I tried to end the conversation as quick as possible.
Your Honor, permission to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
That is not true. He called me and he asked me, he said, look, I don't know which way this paternity test is gonna go, but if you'll just let me put it on you one more time, we can smooth all of this out, blah, 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 all of that crap.
Oh, so that's a lot in 30 seconds.
Really?
No. It was not. No, it's not what I said. But
When he lies, he puts his hand up like that on his cheek.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's a lie pose.
And you,
exhausted.
The discussion turns to DNA testing. No problems reported. On paper, everything went smoothly. But the moment the judge asks if the two have spoken, the calm cracks. Accusations fly. 30 seconds. No, that doesn't count. Voices overlap. The tension spikes.
found all that out in 72 hours?
I did.
Interesting. Okay. So,
You see how aggressive she is about this? This
I'm
is
just excited.
She doesn't need help for her daughter.
Just
This is
come on
about
with the
revenge.
results,
This
please.
is clearly about getting back at me and punishing me for not, I don't know, staying with her forever. I don't know.
Results, please.
but it's been 9 years.
I know it's been, yeah, it's odd timing, isn't it? Right when I have a fiance and have a son, that's when she chooses to do this. Isn't that kind of odd timing here, Your Honor?
I mean, the timing.
Ms. McKinney asks to speak, and she does not hold back. She claims manipulation, pressure, promises. The other side immediately pushes back, calling her aggressive, accusing her of revenge. He points to timing. 9 years later, a fiancé, a son. The courtroom leans in.
Does seem a little interesting.
I just came to the realization that, hey, I can do it alone, but I don't have to do it alone. If he's taking care of his other son and his fiance, that's fine. I don't need him to take care of me or my daughter, but it would be the right thing to do. And that's what he's going to do.
And
If
you're-
he's the father.
He's the father.
Okay. And you're sure of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, I mean, bailiff, we have those results.
Got your cashier's check. Because I don't want a
That's
personal
not
check.
nice.
Well, I'm just saying.
You can't say that to him yet, though.
Ms. McKinney responds with clarity and conviction. This is not about revenge, she says. It's about responsibility. If he is the father, then he should act like one. The judge listens carefully. This is the heart of the case.
Okay.
We don't know if he's even going to be the father to pay child support.
I know.
But if you are indeed the father, I wouldn't recommend you make a payment today because the order would just be being signed today.
Is there an appeal process even if I am the father?
What would you be appealing exactly?
I don't think that based on the way she's been treating me and based on her selective choice of when to bring this issue up in order to, harm my relationship with my family, I consider that a form of harassment. And I feel
Before the results are read, the man raises a new argument, appeals, harassment, even a restraining order. He suggests it could stop child support altogether. The judge shuts that down immediately. Firm. Clear. Creative, but completely wrong.
feel like I should be able to file maybe a restraining order, and that would prevent me from, if I had a restraining order against her, that would prevent me obviously from having to pay for her child support, wouldn't it?
What is that, a restraint?
No, that's not how any of that works. That was really creative though, but that's not how any
Wasn't
of
it
that
cute?
works. So let me go ahead and tell you what the results say.
All right.
Get it over with.
All
We need a drum
right.
roll.
All right. It looks like baby McKinney, because we can't say a child's name.
Right.
There is no probability he can be the father.
What did they say? Well,
You hear?
The room goes quiet. The judge reads the DNA results. There is no probability he is the father. 0. The words land hard. A laugh breaks out. Shock follows. The judge repeats it, louder this time. He is not the father.
That?
what'd you say, Your Honor?
You
Remember?
laughed at that.
Remember?
No,
when you
I didn't hear.
Oh, let me say it a
I'm
little
the
louder.
only white person she's been with. Remember?
There is
Remember that?
no probability that he is the father.
Okay, so first of all, no disrespect to you, but the letter looks a little sketchy.
Okay.
It wasn't in a
It's got
legal
writing on
size
it.
envelope.
That's why it's sketchy.
So, and I don't trust him because his uncle is an attorney, okay? And his
Okay.
uncle can do
What does
all
that have to
types
do with
of
anything?
stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So I don't even trust that.
Wait a minute. I believe at the beginning, I asked you all how the test went.
I mean,
And
the
you
test-
said, wait a minute, hold on. You said
Ms. McKinney challenges the results. She questions the paperwork, the process, motives. The judge reminds her she already confirmed the test was fair. Swabs done properly. PP worn. Official lab. The science stands.
everything went good, right?
And he did.
And it
That's what she
did,
said.
and it was fair that day, right?
Yes.
They swabbed her mouth correctly.
The person appeared to be wearing PPE and the person appeared to work, you know, for that service. And the test itself went well, but behind the scenes, Your Honor.
And it
a lot
appears
goes
that
on.
these results are directly from the testing place. And he's not the father.
He is the father. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why, Your
Let
Honor.
me tell you not. No, he's not.
He's the father.
He's not. So you're
You lost.
going to argue with DNA testing.
Your Honor, he is the father. 72 hours. He has
He
a tattoo
is not
on
the
his private
father.
parts. He was the only
is
one
not
there. I
the
know
father. He is not the father.
Show
How
me a
many
tattoo.
times?
The argument spirals. Tattoos. Memories. 72 hours. The judge intervenes again and again, pulling the conversation back to facts. DNA does not lie. Emotions may. Assumptions may. But the numbers are final.
Do I have to say that? No, I don't want to see a tattoo. All I want to see was these numbers to see what the probability was going to look like of him being the father. He is not the father. Now,
That was way too much, by the way.
You have a tattoo.
excuse me, you know what? I don't even see why you all need to be having a conversation right now.
I agree.
Can we
you
do a
are not the
retest?
father, which means that you will not be placed on any type of child support or anything today. Now, you, Miss McKinney, you do have the right to petition someone else who you may think is the father.
There is no one else, Your Honor. It was him. He has a tattoo on his private part. I was with him and the tattoo for 72 hours. I know what I felt. I know what I saw. Okay, it was him.
Well, there is a probability of something else, though.
Okay.
You were probably with somebody else too within that previous 72 hours.
Oh, Your Honor, you tried it.
There's no shade, just facts.
It's very possible. It's
So,
very likely.
How is it possible?
Because there were like 6 or 7, 8 hours stretches during that time where I didn't see you or know where you were. I don't know what you were doing.
The judge brings it to a close. The case is dismissed. No child support. No further action today. Ms. McKinney is free to file against someone else if she chooses. The courtroom erupts one last time, but the judge ends it firmly. The court is here to deal in facts, not feelings. And today, the facts have spoken.